Okay. We will listen to a song for a minute.
Okay. ಅವೇನೇ ಪಾಡ್ಲೆ ಭಾಸ್ಕರಣ್ಣ.
Okay.
ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬದ.
Yeah.
ತುಳುನಾಡ ಬುಲೆ ಪರ್ಬನೆ ಹೊಸ ವರುಷ ಸಿರಿ ಕನಪಿ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬನೆ
ತುಳುನಾಡ ಬುಲೆ ಪರ್ಬನೆ ಹೊಸ ವರುಷ ಸಿರಿ ಕನಪಿ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬನೆ ಶುದ್ಧಾಚಾರ ಮಲ್ತಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಂದ ಶುದ್ಧಾಚಾರ ಮಲ್ತಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಂದ ದೀಪಾದಿ ಓಡಕ್ಕ
ತುಳುನಾಡ ಬುಲೆ ಪರ್ಬನೆ ಹೊಸ ವರುಷ ಸಿರಿ ಕನಪಿ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬನೆ ತುಳುನಾಡ ಬುಲೆ ಪರ್ಬನೆ ಹೊಸ ವರುಷ ಸಿರಿ ಕನಪಿ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬನೆ
ಫಲನು ಕಂತ ದಿಲೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸುತ್ತ ಭೂಮಿ ದೇವಿ ಕೊರ್ತಿ ಫಲನು ಕಂತ ದಿಲೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸುತ್ತ
ತುಳುನಾಡ ಬುಲೆ ಪರ್ಬನೆ ಹೊಸ ವರುಷ ಸಿರಿ ಕನಪಿ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬನೆ ತುಳುನಾಡ ಬುಲೆ ಪರ್ಬನೆ ಹೊಸ ವರುಷ ಸಿರಿ ಕನಪಿ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬನೆ ಸಿರಿ ಕನಪಿ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬನೆ ತುಳುನಾಡ ಬುಲೆ ಪರ್ಬನೆ.
Okay.
Yes. ಪನ್ಪರ ಭಾಸ್ಕರಣ್ಣ.
Okay. We'll start. I'll stop sharing. Okay. Okay. We had requested all the ಮಾತ್ರೆಗಳ ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ಇಂಕ್ಲು ಮಾತಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈನಿ ಒಂಜಿ 10-15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸುರುಕು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಥ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರೋಡೊಂದು ಭಿನ್ನಪ ಮಲ್ತೈತ್ರ ಸೊ ನಿಕ್ ಬತ್ ನೈಕ್ ಮಾತಾರೆಗ್ಲ ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು we had requested all the parents to join for 10-15 minutes at the beginning just to say thanks and get your feedback, and also wanted to make one more announcement or a request. So eklu ee 10 class enchina kalpaya just wanted to show the people that what the kids have learned. Jokulu ಈತ ಸಮಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ದಾದ ಕಲ್ತೇರಿಪ ಅಂತನ ಇತ್ತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಬೊಕ್ಕದ ಕಲ್ಗೆತೇರಿಪಾರ ಇಂಕಲ್ನ ಇತ್ತೊಂದು ಪದ್ಯ ಕೆಂಡರಿತ ನಿಕಲು the song you heard just now, that is a song that depicts the new year of Tulu. It's called Bisu Parba. So how that is being celebrated. Basically, it is a festival of Tulunad where the fresh produce of the year, whatever they grown, they are offered to the god, and then we worship that and we celebrate the new year, saying that thanks for giving us the produce and good like agricultural product and those kind of things, and then we give respect and thank God and nature for giving us those kind of things. So that is our Bisu Parva. So generally we celebrate that with keeping all the produce on a plate, and then get blessings from the elders, those kind of things. So that is our Bisu Parva. So that Bisu Parva, from AATA we celebrate every year. It's a virtual event. So we want to have a representation from this class saying that we want to have a song. The song we played just now, Tulunada ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬನೆ ಪಂಡದು. That is, ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬ is the what is the new year of ತುಳುನಾಡು ಪಂಡದಾಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಐಕೆ ನಿಕಲ್ ಜೋಕುಲ್ಡ ಒಂಜೆಂಜಿ ಲೈನ್ ಪನ್ಪೋಡು ಪಂಡದು. ದೆನ್ ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಮಾತ ಜೋಕುಲ್ ಪನ್ಯ ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಲ್ತದು ಒಂದು 2 to 3 minutes ಒಂಜಿ ಸಾಂಗ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಂಚಿದ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬದಾಯ್ತು ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಪಾಡೋಡು ಪಂಡದು. ಸೊ ಐಕೆ ನಿಕಲ ಮಾತಿರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ help board jokulda just to record the song. So we will give the text and the line and the audio also. So you need to just make the kids to sing that and record and submit the video. We will stitch all the like pieces of the song and make a one song, maybe around 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll put that in the premiere from this class. So we need your help, parents as well as kids, to get this, and we need this before 15th of April. That is one of the request. Okay, so Shreevalli ಏನದಲ್ಲ add ಮಲ್ಪರುಂಡೆ ಪನ್ಲೆಗೆ.
Easy. That is it. Yeah, everyone. Some of you might know, like if you have seen our what is this? Some of you might have seen our previous videos, Visparba events or other events. We did lot of such kind of songs. So yeah, if everyone sings one line, we will send the text as well as audio. Then we also, teachers also will join with you. All of our teachers will join and we also sing with you. Then yeah, this is our this will be there forever to see that you learned something from our class and all. And also one more thing I want to tell, the project work whatever you did, also we want to make one small video of it and we keep it for us, like yeah, because that is all I see you excelled a lot actually in this class, in 10 weeks of class, because every day you spoke even one sentence. It is really good. I see everyone speaking the tongue twist. This is actually, Tulu is a tongue twister, not like English, right? So you, yeah, that is what I suggest everyone. I urge everyone to speak English at home, not English, Tulu at home with your parents. All parents know Tulu. If you don't have parents like Sam or Marcelo, are you there? Okay,
Yes.
Marcelo,
He's here.
he's there. Okay, Marcelo, yes. Marcelo, you did really good, but I didn't understand your video. I want to, you stay with us and you tell me what you wanted to tell. We will translate and we will give it to you. Okay? Yeah, you tried really well. It is really good. Yeah, all did really good. Thank you so much. Thank you, all the parents, especially. You gave so much of your time recording videos as well as sitting with the class with them in the class. As yeah, it's a lot. But I really thank all of you, as well as I thank all the teachers. Like everyone, all the teachers here are so good. Everything was like very. We thought how it might go, but it went very well in 10 classes. We didn't know that it is so easy. Yeah, now we are going to have our level 2 class also. Yeah, if possible, everyone should join for that also. Yeah, that will help you a lot to learn. Level 2 class might be little higher level now. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Then again, as Bhaskar uncle told you, everyone, like now for Bisuparba, this song, yeah, everyone please join to this, and everyone will sing together. This is just fun and joy. Yeah, it will be there with you forever. Yeah, please. And make a small video of singing somewhere outside, somewhere. Yeah, that is, or yeah, anywhere. If you are like you are celebrating Bisu Parba. Yeah, that's it from my side. Yeah, Bhaskar,
Okay.
over to you.
Yeah, okay. I think let us make a list.
Someone, Ishan,
Yeah,
raised
Ishan.
the
Yeah,
hand.
go word, Ishan.
So I have three questions.
Yeah,
One,
Huh.
one is, do we need to? So the video, will it be like? Will it have our faces or just our voice?
Yeah, your faces.
Yeah,
Yeah,
your faces
Okay.
too.
yeah,
Your
yeah.
faces, you can act, you can dance. This is fun. This is a joy. Okay, so you can we will
Okay.
celebrate. We are here to celebrate, right?
Oh,
Yeah,
and
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
do
also,
anything. Yeah.
will you assign the lines?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
We are going to assign a line and try to listen that song so many times. Then you can get that tune.
Yeah.
And if we have a sibling, can they?
Yeah, they can
sing?
also
Awesome.
join.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Your parents
Yeah.
welcome to
If you
join.
are
Yeah.
singing along with your parents, also good.
Yeah, yeah.
All
Parents
together.
also. Yeah. Parents,
Yeah.
siblings. Yeah, you're all welcome
Yeah.
to. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
is a celebration. Okay. This is a
Yeah.
celebration of what we learned here, as well as celebration of our new year, Bisuparba. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, is there any other question? I think.
Adya question ఉందా?
Adya.
No, itchy.
Vijay. Okay.
Okay.
Shreevalli,
Okay.
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 the project work the submit ಮಲ್ಪರೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಉಂಡೆ ಬಲ
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Onji
Okay.
ವಾರ ದೆತ್ತೊಲ್ಲೆ ಮಲ್ಲೆಜಿ we are it's okay, project work is okay, you can take some time because it is not for the Bisuparba, but song is for the Bisuparba. We need as soon as possible, but project work, yes, we are making a video after Bisuparba.
Okay, but is it like I missed that and kids forgot to tell me? So, is it like you have to write the story and read it out? Because I saw the video.
Yes.
Yeah. Something like that.
Not a story, anything.
Anything they can write about their school experience or the time with their parents or just school. My school bus comes at 8:30 morning. I go to school. Just
Yeah.
some
Sam,
some
most of them did very good. They some were told really nice stories and yeah,
Oh, so you
and
write it in
experience
English?
in India also. So much, I think. So.
yeah, that
Right.
is.
Yeah, you write it in English and then write it in Tulu and
They
read
will
it
read
out?
that. Yeah. So
They
just
read
to
it,
yeah, write in English because you want something to read. They should understand what what they're going to say.
Okay.
So then you are writing Tulu so that they can read, so that read that and say. Yeah, it's not by heart. They have to need to know what the sentence is,
Yes.
and that's why they
Okay.
write in English. So
All
then
right.
they can record that. So that's
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Let's make a list and we want some confirmation so that how many kids are there, to whom to assign what lines. Okay.
Yeah.
So Ranjanakka iregu list malpolye.
Parepara Ranjanaka Pudar.
ಹಾ
Okay.
Okay.
We will just ask the people here starting. Okay. Let me start with Akshad. You're okay, right? Your parents are okay.
They can raise a hand also.
Yeah.
If anyone interested.
Under.
And okay.
Very
Akshad barelave Ranjanaka.
Yeah.
Akshad. Are the Kaviwan here?
Okay.
Okay. Avate bakka Vian bakka Nananji
Varenya.
Varenya. Varenya la panperate.
Under.
Palle, pure janala palle.
Ate?
ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಲ್ಲೆ ಬೋಡೋಣ ಎರಡು ಜನಲ.
Okay. Okay. Vivan band Varenya. Add bakka Ishana. Ate Ishana? Avate. Add the Ankush?
You're asking if we're gonna sing the song, right?
Yeah. You need not be a singer, great singer. We won't just say something, okay? That word. We'll give the line like.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry about the tune and all those things. We want to.
But listen so many times that tune will sit in your head later.
Okay. And also when you record, you can sing even if a line is given to you, then you sing that 2 to 3 times and record it. We will take the best one that what suits. Sometimes if you miss something, then don't worry. You can just continue singing and record it.
My parents won't be there, but I'll try.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, you'll see the tune, use the tune and sing, not just read the sentence.
Yeah, don't
yeah.
read because we are going to stitch it
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, some kind of music element related to that. The raga undate, just the raga. Tulunada Pasavarsha Bisuparbani. If you say like that also, that is fine because when it blends with nice with the music behind that.
Yeah,
Okay.
understood.
Okay. Okay. Book Sam Fanole, can you?
Play.
Okay. Thank you. Sam is in. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. At the book Atharva
John Panpe.
Panparate.
very good.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay. At the book Adya.
Marcelo Panperu.
And yeah, I'm going. And line pondal miss balli pandadu.
Okay.
Okay.
Some alpa avu ಮಿತ್ ಒಂದು ಮಲ್ತನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ತನ ಮಿತ್ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಐನ್ ತೂವಲ್ನೆ ಸಮಕ್ಷಿಲ್ಲ ಬರ
Some yan ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ತೋನ್ ಪೊಂದಲ್ಲ
ಓಕೆ ಪಲ್ಲೆ ಅವ ಪಣ್ಣ ಸರಿ
ಐದೊಕ್ಕ ಆರ ಅಂಡ್ ಆದಿ ಮಲ್ಪರತೆ ಸುಷ್ಮಾ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಒಂದು ಮೇರಿಯರು
ಅವು ಪವಿತ್ರನ ಜೊತೆ ಹರಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಸಿರಿ
ಅಂದ
ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್ ಇರುವೆರ್ಲತೆ ಹರಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಸಿರಿ ರಡ್ಡು
ಎಂಕುಲು 4 ಜನಲ ಮಲ್ಪ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ
4 ಜನ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಅವ್ ಐದು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಈತನ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಅರಾನ್
Nama Panpa.
ಪನ್ಪರತೆ ಗುಡ್
Very
ಲೈಕ್
nice.
ಎಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಪನ್ಪೇರು ಆರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅತೆ ಓಕೆ ಐದಕ್ಕ ರಂಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಪನ್ಪೇರು ಓಕೆ ಐದಕ್ಕ ಶ್ಲೋಕ್
ಶ್ಲೋಕ್ ಪನ್ಪರತೆ
John Panpe.
ಓಕೆ
ಬಲ್ಲೆ
ಬಾರೆಟ್ಟೆ ಐದಕ್ಕ ರಾಘವ್ ಎಟ್ ಇರವು
ರಾಘವ್ ರಾಘವ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪುಯರ್ ಪನ್ಪೇರ
ಅತೆ ರಾಘವ್
ರಾಘವನ ಸ್ವರಕ್ಕೇನು ಜಿ
ಹಾ
ಲವಿತ್ ಬಕ್ಕ ಸಾನ್ವಿ
ರಾಘವ್ ಅಂದದ್ ಪನ್ಪರತೆ ರಾಘವ್ ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕ ದರ್ಶ್ ಅಂದತೆ
ದರ್ಶಿ ಪನ್ಪೇರ್
Yarna Panpe.
ಓಕೆ ಅವು ಒಂದು ಮಂಜಾಸ ಒಂದು ನಾಡತೆ ಬೇರ್ನ ಓಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕ ಈಶಾನ್
Yarn
Isha.
Panpe.
ಪನ್ಪರತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪಂಡತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಅವ್ ಪನ್ಪೇರತೆ ಅವು ಮೇರೆ ಓಕೆ ರೇಷ್ಮತೆ ಆರ್ ಪನ್ಪೇರ್ ಓಕೆ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಆರ್ಲ ಪನ್ಪೇರ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಭಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಮ್ಮನ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆರ್ಲ ಪನ್ಪೇರ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಒರಿ ಊರಿನ ಏರು ಮಾರ್ಸೆಲೋ
ಮರ್ಸೆಲೋ ಕೈದೇರ್ತದೇರು
and Marcelo, can you unmute and say?
ಪನ್ಪರ
Panpa, yes, sir.
yes
And.
ಅಂದ್
Okay, that will be very nice. Okay. Adaka Samaksh.
ಸಮಕ್ಷ
Yan Padia Panpe.
Very
Okay.
good.
Awesome.
ಬೊಕ್ಕ
Okay, ಅದಕ್ಕ
ಲವಿತ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ
Lavit and Sanvi.
ಸಾನ್ವಿ
Yeah, Uncle Panpa.
Panparate, good. Okay, ಅಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ನಂಗೆ ಬೋಡಿತ್ನಾಥ್ ಜೋಕ್ಲ ಆಯ್ರತೆ ಅತೆ
ಅಂದಂದ್
ಓಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯ ಇತ್ತು ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಪನ್ಯ ಅವೇ ಸೊ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಚಂದ ಎಂಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡೋಡು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆತ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ತನ ಐತಲಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ರೋಮನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪಾಡ್ ಕಡಪಡುವ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಒಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಕ್ಲನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲ ಕಡಪಡ್ಪ ಒಲ್ತುಡ್ದು ಒಡೆ ಪಾನೋಡು ಪಾಂಡದು ಒಂದು ಆಡಿಯೋಲ ಪನ್ಪ ನಿಕ್ಲು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಖಾಲಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪನ್ನಡವು ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬರ್ರಬಲ್ಲಿ ಆತೆ ಓಕೆ
ಹೆಡ್ಸೆಟ್ ದೀದ್ ಕೇನ್ಲೆ ಕೇಂಡ್ದು ಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಪಲ್ಲೆ ಅಪಗ ಅವು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಿಕುಲ್ ಪನ್ಯ ಮಾತ್ರ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಪುಡು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಪುಜಿ
ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಳಪಡು ಬಾ ಎನಿವೆ ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಮಕ್ಷ ಯು ರೇಸ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಲ್ಲ ಉಂಡೆ
they forgotten to lower it, that's it.
and okay and Marcel also you raised hand same thing right you are done right okay ಬೇತೇರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಚಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉಂಡೆ okay good awesome so
And ask Bhaskarana if they want to do anything else also for our Super event. If they
there's another open invitation. This is one thing we are doing as a team. But if you want to, like, if you are good at any of the activity, any of the talent, like maybe an instrument or singing or dance, you're welcome to do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 So let me just to share.
Yes, Marcelo.
Well, in my case, I can do like a sculpture of Shiva, Shri Krishna.
Uh-huh.
You can do. Yeah, we can. You can send a video of that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So what you can do? Tell me that the songs or
Sculpture.
sculpture.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
First, I send a video
Okay.
singing the song, and then I.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
that is good. Yeah.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I just let me share.
ಭಾಸ್ಕರ ನಂದು ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಅವನ್ನ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆ ಇತ್ತಂಡ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್
Ayin nama paadga net WhatsApp paadga.
ಓಕೆ
Yeah. Okay. We'll put in the WhatsApp Paatherga. And also, yeah, like if anybody is missing in this, like your project work, try to do as soon as possible, not later than 15th. Okay. We'll give 2 more weeks in case if you have other commitments, and do before that, because we will be doing that video and we will be sending the certificates to you all. And yeah, you should have that before the 15th. Ate Shreevalli?
And
Okay. 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 Just let's go to the regular stuff like every day. So this is our last class. Okay. Then, yeah, this is standard stuff, and we have all the links, and this is our team.
and there is two kids like a Shonit and Siddhi, I think.
Yeah, I think they said
yeah.
they said they
Sia,
cannot
Sia,
come,
not
right?
Sia, Siddhi, Sia. Yeah, they are traveling. They might. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Then, yeah, today's class is about the project work. Yeah, we'll start that soon. And as usual, this is our team. Then this is what I already talked about that. There's a flyer about our Bisu Parba. So these are the pictures of some of the performances last time they had. Okay. So some small pictures are just for the representation we have kept it. Okay. So this is our project work. And okay, before that, yeah, this is what I just briefed you. Itte panyayana niklegu Bisu Parbogu padya ejja malpadu panada. What is our plan panadu? When you 2 to 3 minutes the song go ತುಳುನಾಡ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬನೆ ಪದ್ಯದ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು 15th ಎಂಕ್ಲಾಗೈತೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಕಡಪ್ರೋಡು ಐನ ಬೇಗ ಕಡಪ್ರೋಡು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ದಿವಡ್ಚಿ it will be easier for us to compile everything. Okay. Okay, and this will be like basically this will be premiered on 21st on YouTube, Bisu Parba, and that event. And generally this event is like viewed worldwide. People wherever there are, I think there are more than 18 countries where Tulu people live. Where there are some Tulu organizations, and people from all these countries, they're going to watch this. Okay. Okay. So yeah, that's a very good opportunity to show our kids' talents. Okay. Okay. Now about the project work. Okay. We already told about this, like around comfortable 2 to 3 small paragraphs. You can go up to 300 words, or at least around 50 to 100. That's comfortable. If you're good, you can have the longer like version of the presentation also. Okay. So let us start malpugate nama.
And
Okay.
for
So,
starting, Bhaskarana, there is some confusion. Like Sam has some confusion. Can you clear it? That like he has I think he is confused. He was good earlier.
okay. Okay.
No, I was just like originally trying to clear up how to translate has, but I didn't know if there's a direct translation all the time. So
Yeah.
No, there
okay,
is.
that's one thing.
There are two types. He has means he has. He has something. Hada undu. Arda aye is the male, we are referring boys, the male kid, da means without respect. R is a respectfully we are talking. Arda undu. He has pen. Bhaskar gave the example of pen, right? Arda undu. Aleda undu. That is the female version. Aye al. Aye is a boy. You are referring boy, and al you are referring to female girl. That is a younger to you, or your same. If she is older to you, or you have a lot of respect, like your elder sister, then it goes to areda. Your mother, you can't say alda. If you are elder sister, you can't say alda. You have to say areda. That is the respectful version. You understand? Yeah. Areda. That is you are correct in that way. Da is he has something. He has. That is the suffix da areda. Yes, like that. That is correct. Then mm, can you give another sentence, if you whatever the confusion, whatever
Yeah,
you.
basically, one more thing I wanted to here. So, has exact meaning is possess, right? He's having that possess. So that is undu. Okay, so it's a little different. Al is she. Aleda is with her. That is like that. Okay, Aleda, she has a pen. Aleda unji pen undu. So that the same, but it sometimes in some sentences has will not, depending on the how the sentence is formed, has will not have an exact word as a possessor undu.
Correct.
Has will be part of the name and da. It's like
undu is an affirmation, like how becha undu.
yeah,
Very
yeah.
hard.
Anchane undu panda has undu panda is undu better meanings, like depending on
Right.
the sentence.
Affirmation.
Correct. Yeah.
Correct.
How
Correct.
kempu undu, it is red. How
Yeah.
becha undu, it is hard.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
undu is a confirmation.
Yeah, so we
Correct.
yeah, that undu is also used to other this thing, like if there is no has in a sentence, like it is hot. There is no has in that, right? But to say it's hot, it is hot. There is no has. But when you convert it, it becomes, for that also it has a hidden has in that.
Confirmation.
Yeah, confirmation. Yeah. Au betcha undu. Like it is hot. Au betcha undu. So like that. So, but if it is exact translation, it is hot means au betcha. So that is not this one, right? It's not a like very confirmative sentence. Undu means it has, like that.
It is hot.
Yeah.
It is hot.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Let's start with the. I think we'll start one by one. Shall we start with Akshaj? Akshaj enchina pantar pandita. Okay.
Yeah, he has a beautiful story of donkey.
Oh, okay. Akshaj, unmute malpule. Bakka, you just read. Or you
Actually,
present what you
Ranjani has a list, right? You can read in the same order.
Oh, yeah. I think we'll go that. I think that is better. Okay. That otherwise we'll not miss it. Okay.
Akshaj first.
Oh, okay. Okay.
ಒಂಚು ದಿನ ಒರಿ ರೈತೆ ಆಯನ ಮಗೆ ಅಕ್ಲೆನ ಕತ್ತೆನ ಸಂತೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೆ ಕ್ರಾಯಕ್ಕೂ ಮಾರಿಯರೆ ಕೊಂದೊಂದು ಬೋವೊಂದು ಇತ್ತೆರು ಸಾರಿದ್ದು ಒರ್ತಿ ಪೊಂಜವು ಅಕ್ಲಿನ್ ತೂಡು ನಿಕ್ಕಲು ದಾಯಗ ಕತ್ತಿದ ಮಿತ್ತು ಕೂಲೊಂದು ಬೋವಂದಿಜ್ಜರು ಪಾಂಡೂನ್ ಕೇಂದಲು ಐನ್ ಕೇಂದು ರೈತ ಮಗನ ಕತ್ತಿದ ಮಿತ್ ಕುಲದ ನದತೊಂದು ಬೋವಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಂಚನೆ ಪೋವಂದು ಎಪ್ಪುನಾಗ ಸಾರಿದ್ ಏಳಿಯ ಜೋಕುಲು ತೆಕ್ಕಿಯರು ಅಕ್ಕುಲು ಕೆಂದೆರು ಒರಿ ಕತ್ತಿದ ಮಿತ್ ಕುಲುನಾಗ ರದ್ದು ಜನ ದಾಯ ಕುಲಜರ ಐನ್ ಕೆಂದು ರೈತನ ಮಗ ರೈತನ ಕತ್ತಿದ ಮಿತ್ ಕುಲಿಯರೆ ಪಾಂಡೈ ಅಂಚನೆ ಅಕ್ಲು ಪೇಂಟೆಗ್ ಎತ್ತಿಯರ ಅಕ್ಲು ರದ್ದು ಜನ ಕತ್ತಿದ ಮಿತ್ ಕುಲನೆನ್ ತೂಯಿನ ಪೇಂಟಿದ ಜನ ನಿಕ್ಲು ರದ್ದು ಜನ ಕಾತದ ಮಿತ್ ಕುಲನಾದ ಪಾಪದ ಕತ್ತಿಗ ಅಯಸ ಆಪುಜ ಐತ ಪದಲು ನಿಕ್ಲು ಕತ್ತಿನ ಕೋಲ್ಗ ಕತ್ತದ ತುಂಬೊಂದು ಕೊಲೆ ಪಾಂಡರ ಅಕ್ಲೇನ ಪಾತರ ಕೆಂದಿನ ರೈತಲ ఆయన ಮೆಗಲ ಕತ್ತಿನ ಕೋಲ್ಗ ಕತ್ತದ ತುಂಬೊಂದು ಸಂತಿಗ ಎತ್ತಿಯರ ಅಕ್ಲು ರದ್ದು ಜನ ಕತ್ತಿನ ತುಂಬೊಂದು ಪರ್ಪಿನೆನ್ ತೂಯಿನ ಮಾತ ಜನ ಜೋರದು ತಲಿಪಿಯರೆ ಶೂರ ಮಲ್ತರ ಜೋರೈನ ಶಬ್ದ ಕಿನ್ನ ಕತ್ತಿಗ ಹೊಡಿಗೆ ಅವು ಪಲುನು ತೊಂಕುಡು ಬಳಿತುಂಡು ಕತ್ತೆ ಬಳಿತಿನನ್ ತೂಯಿನ ರೈತಲ ಮಗಲ ಐನ್ ಪಾತ್ಯರೆ ಪಿರವು ಪಲಿತರ ಸಾಡಿದಿತ್ತನ ಭೂವೆಲುಗ ತಾತರ್ ಗಾತೆ ಬೂರಂದ ಐನ್ ತೂಯಿನ ಆಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂದ ಎಪ್ಪಲ ಮಾತರೆನ್ಲ ಖುಷಿ ಪಾರಿಸಾಯರೆ ಪೊಯರೆ ಪಲಿ ನಮಕ್ ಒವು ಸರಿ ತೋಚುಂಡು ಐನ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಡು
Very
Very
nice.
good, moral.
Good, very
Moral.
good, very good,
Very good
very good
advice.
story. Okay.
Yeah.
Good
Okay.
message, right?
Yes.
I think what he's saying that you can't please everyone all the time. Do what is the right thing. Don't keep doing whatever people say. That's the moral, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good,
Yes.
good.
Very nice.
Very good.
Absolutely,
Very
very
good.
nice.
Nicely
Okay,
done.
nicely done. Akshay, one more thing I wanted to say. Akshay is the winner of our quiz. It's middle school, right?
elementary.
Sorry, elementary. Akshay is
Elementary, yeah.
elementary. Yeah. Yeah. Did you get your? Did you receive your certificates yet?
On the
Under.
Very good.
Very good. Okay.
Very good. Very good.
Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Thanks, Akshay. Solmelu. Akshay. Bari addan.
Bar like and
Okay, next.
Next.
Ivan and Varenya. ಒಂಜೆಂಜೆ one thing.
Okay.
Vivan Tanpara.
oh
ವರೇಣ್ಯನ ತಿಕ್ಕದು ಜಾನ್ ಬಹುಶಃ
ವರೆಗೂ ಸರಿಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂಚ
ಓ ಅಂದ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಹಾ ಇರ್ಪಲ್ಲೆ ವಿವಾನ್
Solmelu yana pudar vivan yano perarte tingoludu adjina ilago podite kadala parita naga puja he kambula ata kola pura apina jaga namatulu nadu yana mamu mami pachpeda yenkulana yeddu koniyero ಐರದು ಬಕ ಅಜಿ ತಿಕ್ಕುಂಟು ತೋ ಎಂಕುಲು ಕಂಬ್ಲ ತುಯರೆ ಪೊಯ ಪಾರಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಂದ ಬಕ ಕುಡ್ಲ ಉಡುಪಿ ಪೆದ್ರದ ಕೆಲವು ಜಾಗ ತಿರ್ಗಿಯೆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ನಾಗಬಾನ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ದೈವ ದರ್ಶನ ಪುರ ತೊಯ್ಯೆ ತುಳುನಾಡ ಪುರ ತಿಂಡೆ ಕಡಲು ಬರಿತು ಗೋಪಿಯೆ 19 ದಿನ ಎಂಚ ಕರಿಂಡೋ pandai gotaji nanna raje bodu pando ando mast yedde ando Martell gola pisu parbad yedde polo
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್
Very
Bhat like.
Okay.
Gokathan.
Very nice.
Uh,
Very nice experience. Okay.
Yeah. Then everyone listen this. You will get so many new words
Information.
from
Words.
Yes. Words,
words,
information.
information. Yes.
He talks about the Kambala, Kola, Nema, the
Correct.
temples, the religious places, seashore,
Yeah.
explain the whole thing.
Yeah. How he spent his vacation in at his grandparents. Yeah, it is really nice. Yes. Okay. Next one.
Next year, Ranjani akka.
Oh, Ishana. Sorry, unmuted.
Oh, okay.
Ishana Palle.
ఇంకొంచెం కథ రెండు ఇంకొంచెం స్టోరీ పని రెండు
Okay.
Palle.
Palle.
సో స్టోరీ మంగ బొక్క మొసలే ద మంకీ అండ్ ద క్రాకడైల్ ಉಂಜಿ ಕಾಡುಡು ತುದೆತ್ತ ಬರಿಟ್ ಉಂಜಿ ನೇರೆಲೆ ಪರ್ಂದುದ ಮರಟ್ ಮಂಗೆ ಎತ್ತಂಡು ಆ ಮಂಗೆಗ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಮೊಸಳೆ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಉಪ್ಪುನ್ ಮಂಗ ದಿನೊಲ ಮೊಸಳೆಗ್ ನೇರೆಲೆ ಪರ್ಂದು ತಿನ್ರೆ ಕೊರ್ಪುನ್ ದಿನೊಲ ಮೊಸಳೆ ಬತ್ತದ ತಿನ್ಪುನ್ ಒಂಜಿ ದಿನ ಮೊಸಳೆ ಬತ್ತದ ಪನ್ಪುನು ಇಂಕ್ ನೇರೆಲೆ ಪರ್ಂದು ಕಟ್ಟದು ಕೊಲ್ಲೆ ಯಾನ್ ಎನ್ನ ಬುಡುದಿಗ್ ಕೊರ್ಪೆ ಅಂಚ ಮಂಗ ಅವೇನು ಕಟ್ಟದು ಕೊರ್ಪುನ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮೊಸಳೆ ಅವೇನು ಬುಡುದಿಗ್ ಕೊರ್ಪುನ್ ಅವೇನು ತಿಂದ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮೊಸಳೆದ ಬುಡದಿ ಪನ್ಪುನು ಈ ನೇರಲೆ ಪರ್ಂದು ಈತ್ ಚೀಪೆಂಡು ಉದೆನು ತಿಂದಿನ ಮಂಗನ ಉದಲು ಏತ್ ಚೀಪೆಪ್ಪು ಎಂಕ್ ಈ ಮಂಗನ ಉಡಲು ಕನ್ಲೆ ಉಂದೆನು ಕೇಂಡು ಮೊಸಳೆಗ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಬೇಜಾರಂಡು ಆವು ಎಲ್ಲೆ ಪೋಪೆ ಉಡಲ್ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಡೆ ಲಕ್ಕದು ಮೊಸಳೆ ಮಂಗ ಎತ್ತಿನಡೆಗೆ ಪೋಪುನ್ ಮೊಸಳೆ ಮಂಗಡು ಪನ್ಪುನು ಎನ್ನ ಬುಡುದಿಗ್ ನೀನನು ವನಸ್ಸುಗಲೆ ಇದಲ್ ಎನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಗ ಪೋಕ ಉಂದೆನು ನಂಬದು ಮಂಗ ಮೊಸಳೆ ದಮಿತ್ತು ಕುಲ್ದಿನ್ ಒಕ ಪೋತಿನಕು ಚೂರ್ ಪೊರ್ತಾಯ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮೊಸಳೆ ಪನ್ಪುನು ನೀನನ್ನು ಯಾನ್ ವನಸ್ಸುಗಲೆ ಇದಿನತ್ತು ಎನ್ನ ಬುಡುದಿಗ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಉದಲ್ಲು ತಿನ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಸಿತ್ತನ್ ಉಂದೆನ್ ಕೇಂದು ಮಂಗಗ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಬೇಜಾರಂಡು ಅಪಗ ಮಂಗರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಂಡೆ ಬಲಿಪಾದ್ ಪನ್ಪುನು ಓ ಮೊಸಳೆ ಈ ಉಂದೆನು ದುಂಬೆ ಪಂತೋಡು ಯಾನ್ ಎನ್ನ ಉದಲಿ ಎನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಡು ಬುಡ್ತು ವೈತಿನಿ ನಮ್ಮರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಪಿರ ಪೋದು ಅವೇನು ಪತೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕ ಉಂದೆನು ನಂಬಿನ ಮೊಸಳೆ ಮಂಗನ ಪಿರಲೆ ತೊಂದು ಪೋತಿನ್ ಮಂಗ ಮರಕ್ ಲಾಗಿದು ಪನ್ಪುನು ಓ ಮೊಸಳೆ ಯಾನ್ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನಂಬುದಿತ್ತೆ ಆಂಡ ಈ ಅನನ್ನ ಕೆರೆಯೊಂದು ನೆನ್ಯದ ದೋಸ್ತಿನಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಮೋಸ ಮನ್ಪೆರೆ ಬಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿನಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಯಾಪಲ ಮೋಸ ಮನ್ಪೆರೆ ಬಲ್ಲಿ
Very nice. Yes.
Bad shokathan, Ishana.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Nice delivery also.
Prabhakara Palle.
Nice delivery also. She said it very nicely, the whole story.
Yeah, she
Thank
speaks
you.
really good actually.
Yeah, pronunciation with lack.
Not like London.
Thank you.
These people know so much Tulu. I don't know anything. How am I supposed to write a story like that? Through like what we learned, I don't think.
Your voice is breaking, Ankush.
I was saying like, from these two stories,
Yeah.
it sounds like they know a lot of Tulu, and they're making it based on that, and not just like what we've learned throughout these classes. I was kind of like stressing, how do I make a story with this? So are we supposed to like ask our parents to help write it, or like are we supposed to just write it based off of what you've taught us?
It's better if you write based on what we taught us also good because you know the words, or else if you go and ask your parents also good because you get more words. You see now how they put together all those things and lot more words which we have not taught, right? It's better you go to parents, I think, So you will get more words. And to learn any language, not only Tulu, you have to speak. You have to speak at home or with friends, anyone. You even you can call us and talk to us even if it is English, we will translate it for you, no problem. But the every day you should hear that word, no, then only you can speak, or else it is not possible to speak.
Yeah, one thing, like when you read that, you will know the story and you can correlate the words in Tulu with that, so that in that process you will learn. So
Yeah.
even if parent says, that's okay, but if you can do yourself, that will be awesome.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah, you can write. Yeah, you can write a small piece of story or your experience or your school thing or whatever your vacation. Any topic is okay. You can just write like maybe 5 to 10 sentences. That becomes like 100 words. Then you try to translate that. If you are having difficulty, you can ask your parents, or you can ask us too. You can. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, it is not difficult. It is easy. Once you get that, it is easy. Sam will tell you it is really easy. You take your Sam's number and talk to Sam. He's the best person, I think, to teach.
Yeah, Sam also shared the link, and we will also share that link in our group. There
Yeah.
is a Easy Tulu. If you Google Easy Tulu, and you will get the lot of teaching material there, the classes there, the lot, and they're very nicely done. Okay, so we made basically 10 classes to like meet whatever required for the basic conversation. Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of outline. What we gave is the outline.
Yeah.
You
So
can
now,
fill it up like how these kids are filling up, or they are saying the stories or something. Okay, we will go other
the story. Yeah.
fields.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Next
Thank you.
year, Greta.
Thanks for clarifying your concerns.
Yes, it is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ankush, your best bet is to talk about yourself, because you can gather a lot of words when you talk about yourself. So try to put something together and try to, write it in English, but then translate it into Tulu, and then read the script. That's how you would want to start.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, Sam.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oggi non c'è. E oggi le cate in tinata calza panfe. Bega candede yan lakwe rapo me te boka kalbu kuntuklu padwe. E portu washida chaligalondu anchene muji angi boka unji pant padwe. Yena ishtida angi nili da banandu. Maka yena nai pedaiga nadanundu. Maka yan unji kola na dura takwe. Ancha yena nai kushia unundu. Yena inita dina ede bolker barsa iji boka bana selidundu. Andala bari rapada galiundu. Ancha yan bakil padie boka atil de ilge pope tinpe bodu. Boka rad teti de tondue boka onji bechada adig na padue chur yene edemunchi boka upu tege I started in a wanna prepare mapue parte nimsha boka tetina timpe. Yan pira ilpedad pope kar ulai yena megge uttige I yena de eine varsha elia ula. Suru inkulu ayana shalig popa. Boka yan train station ga pope yena train nerele bana undu. Boston pentige ponaga Yena dostaklu Karnataka lepue. Alpa Ratri ite. Wanasanda Pandkenweyan E sartide Kelvu posa paraklu kapue. Tuluta paraklu kapue. Onji gante boka Boston muttundu. Boston onji para pinte undu. Karna kupini istiji. Yena class ge naranduwe. Padin onji gante ge class de Bale mapue. Class boka ina pustakana muchue wanasa mapue ina dostaklu urtige. Enkulu pakka vishaya patarva bette unji class ge enkulu popa. Boka yan ilge pira pope. Pira parfe.
Nice discussion
Excellent.
of the chore, daily chore.
Wow.
Excellent.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Nice one.
That is
Very
great.
nice.
Very nice, Sam.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, we will share this in YouTube. You are okay, right? Yeah, okay.
And
And
Yeah, you know what? Even we don't speak that clearly. That
Yeah.
Paka,
Right.
yeah, too much.
Bulkiri.
That is a reliance.
Bulkiri, yeah, those are the,
Bulkiri and Mugala Telidini, Bana Telidundu.
all of that was from the website I shared.
yeah,
So
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
everyone
Yeah, that
everyone
is
can
very
find
nice.
things there.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Yeah.
Nice.
If you have any doubt in future also, don't. Yeah, you can call anyone, any of us. You can call. You can ask, is this correct? Is that you keep in touch and yeah, all of you, not only
Yeah,
Sam,
yeah,
everyone
we will keep this WhatsApp group active,
active.
and
Yes.
the frequency will not be like this, but we can meet again after some time, and we'll have plan something so that you'll not
Yeah.
forget. Okay.
Yeah. Then we will have second level class also.
Yeah, yeah,
So yeah, if you any of you wants to join, please join.
yeah. We will share that information later.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct. Okay. Yes. Next,
next,
continue.
Okay. Atharva.
Atharva Mantara.
ಯಾರ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ
ಎನ್ನ ತುಳು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾನೆ ಎನ್ನ ರಜತ ವಿಷಯ ಪನ್ಪೆ ಎನ್ನ ರಜತೆ ಯಾನೆ ಎನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಡಾ ಪೇಂಟೆಗೆ ಪೋಯೆ ಎಂಕಲು ಪುಲಿಯ ಕಾಂಡೆದ ಫ್ಲೈಟಿಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಡಾಗೆ ಪೋಯೆ ಅಲ್ಪ ಎಂಕಲು ಮಲ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಡ್ ಉಂತರೆ ಇತ್ತ ತುಳುದ ದಿನ ಎಂಕಲು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಸ್ಗೆ ಪೋಯ ಎಂಕಲು ಭಾರಿ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತ ಎನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ರೈಡಿದ ಪುದರ್ ಹಾಗ್ವರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಲದಾನಿ ಎಂಕಲು ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ಗೆ ಪೋಯ ಅವಳು ಎಂಕಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮುತ್ತ ಇತ್ತ ಮೂರನೇ ದಿನತ್ತು ಎಂಕಲು ವಾಕೇನೋ ಬೇಗ ಪೋಯ ಆ ಜಾಗದ ಭಾರಿ ಮಲ್ಲ ನೀರ್ದ ಪಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವು ಮೂಜಿ ಜಾಗರ್ದು ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ಜಾಗ ವಾಕೇನೋ ಬೇಟು ಮಸ್ತ್ ರೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತುಂಡು ಜುರುತ ರೈಡ್ ಎನ್ನ ಪಪ್ಪ ಪೋಯರ್ ಅವು ಭಾರಿ ಉದ್ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಎನ್ನ ಪೂರ ಕುಟುಂಬ ರಡ್ ಉಚ್ಚುದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಸ್ಲೈಸಿದ್ದ ಮೆತ್ತ ಪೋಯ ಒಂಜಿ ರೈಡ್ 7 ಸತಿ ಮೆತ್ತ ತಿರ್ತು ಪೋಂಡು ಅವ ರೈಡ್ ಎನ್ನ ಕಂಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಬೆನೆ ಆಂಡು ಎಂಕಲು ತುದೆಟ್ಟು ಗಮ್ಮತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತ ಒಂಜಿ ಮಲ್ಲ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಎಂಕಲು ತಿರ್ತು ಪೋಯ ಎಂಕಲು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ವನಸಿಗೆ ಚಾಕೋಸ್ ತಿಂದ ಯಾನೆ ಎನ್ನ ಪಪ್ಪನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ ಬೆಚ್ಚ ಪೂರಿದು ಯಾನ್ ಕುಲ್ಯ ಎಂಕಲು ವಾಕೇನೋ ಬೇಟೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆ ಇತ್ತ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎಂಕಲು 2 ದಿನ ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಇತ್ತ ಅಲ್ಪದ ಕಡಲ್ದ ಬರಿತ ಪೊಯ್ಯತ ಬನ್ನ ಪೋಲ್ದು ಶನಿವಾರಗ ಎನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬನಪ್ಪ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಡಾದ ಸಿಯಾಟಲ್ಗೆ ಬತ್ತ Ena rajatu enku bari gamatande. Solmela.
Very nice.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Very
Very
nice.
good.
Very nice
Very good.
experience.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, you used the words
Yeah.
class kalpadana ಶಬ್ದಲೇನು ಗಳಿಸ್ತದೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ
Yes. Even Sam used it.
Sam,
Sam used
correct.
that.
Yeah.
ಅಂದಂದು
Uh,
ನೀಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣ
Experience.
Neeli Banna Kutumba.
Okay.
Nice. Very nice. Yes.
Good.
Next year.
Jagdeesh.
Next, Marcelo.
ah,
Marcelo, okay.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯೇ ಶರಣಮಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ.
Wow.
ಒಂಜಿ ಹಲಿತ್ ಓಡಿ ರತ್ತೆ ಇತ್ತೆ. ಆಯನ ಕೊಡ್ಯಾತ್ ಕೋರಿ. ಕುರಿ ಎಡ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಪೇಟಲು ಇತ್ತ. ಹೋಲಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಎಲ್ಯ ಕುಡಿತ್ತ ಗಂಜಿ. ಆಲೆಗ್ ಏಪಲ ಭೋಸ ಝಾಗಂಟುಪ್ಪುನ ಇಸ್ತ. ಅಲ್ ಮೈ ದಾದನ ಅರುತ್ತು. ಖಾಡ ಬರಿತ್ ಇತ್ತಿನ ಭಾಜರಿನ ತುಯ್ಯೋಲು. ಭೋಲಿ ಅಡಗ್ ಪೋಡು ಎದ್ದೆ ಭಾಜರ್ ತಿನ್ನೋಡು ಕುಸಿತ್ ಇತ್ತೋಲು.
Very nice. I didn't understand earlier.
Yeah,
Now
wait.
I understood.
Let him continue, okay.
Pajir, Bori.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pajir is a grass.
Kushitittan.
Kushititri. Yeah, I didn't understand. So I was thinking what he's saying. Then now
Okay.
I understood how he is.
Bori
Okay.
Kushittu Pajir dinna.
Very good. I like it.
Okay.
Nice, Marcelo. Good.
Very nice.
Okay, next, Arha and Adi.
Akal Maldijir, Nana Malpur.
ಐದ್ ಜೊತೆ.
ಹಾ,
Okay. ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಹರಿ and ಸಿರಿ.
Akal Maldir.
ಉಲ್ಲೇರಾ
Hari Maldir. Hari?
ಹಾ
Panpara?
ಅಂದ
Palle.
ಅಂದ
ಓಕೆ.
ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾಲದು ಕೋಟಿ ಪನ್ಪಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಊರುದು ರಾಮ ಪನ್ಪುನ ಒರಿಯೇ ಇತ್ತೆ. ರಾಮ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಶ್ರಮ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಇತ್ತೆ ನಾಯೆ. ಆಯೆಗು ಕಂಬಾಲ ಎರುತಡ ಓಟ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ವರ್ಷದ ಕಲದು ಊರುದಾಗ್ಲು ಕಂಬಲಾಗು ಒಟ್ಟು ಬರೊಂದಿತ್ತರು. ಕಂಬಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ವೇಗದ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆ. ರಾಮನ ಕುಟುಂಬದು ರಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟದ ಏರು ಇತ್ತ. ಅಗಲ್ನ ಪುದರ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಚಕ್ರಿ. ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಚಕ್ರಿ ರಾಮನ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸಂತೋಷ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ರಾಮ ಅಗಲ್ಯಾನು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ತರಬಾತಿ ಮಲ್ತಾಡು ಲೈಕಡು ತೂವನುಂಡು. ಬರಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ವನನ್ಸು ಕೊರ್ದು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮೋಕ್ಯಾದು ಪಲನೆ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ. ಆ ವರ್ಷದ ಕದಲೋದು ಊರುದಾಗ್ಲು ಪೂರ ಒಟ್ಟಾಡು ಕಂಬಲಾದ ತಾರಿ ಮಲ್ತೇರು. ರಾಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಚಕ್ರಿನ ಸಮರ್ಥ್ಯಾನು ತೂಜ ಪವರೆ. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಉತ್ಸಾಹಾದು ಇತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಂಬಲದೆಂತಾನಿ ಊರಿದ ಜನಗಳ ಕೂಗು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಗೌಜದ ಮಧ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಆಯನ ಎರಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಚಕ್ರಿ ಪಾಂಡಯಾಗು ಸಾಜದು ಉಂತಿಯ. ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ತಿಕ್ಕುರ್ಲೆ ರಾಮ ಆಯನು ಎರುತೊಗಿ ಕೇಸರಾದು ಬಲ್ಪೆರೆ ಶುರುಮಲ್ತೆ. ಪಾಂಡ್ಯಾದು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಪಾಯ್ಪೋಟಿ ಇತ್ತುಂಡು. ಆಂಡಲ ರಾಮನು ಎರುಗಿಲ ಪಾತರೆ ಅತ್ತಿಜಿ. ರಾಮ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಚಕ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆಡು ದಂಬು ಬಾಲ್ತೆಂಡುಂಡು. ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಯಂಡು ಜಯ ಸದಿಸಾರೆ ಜನಕುಲು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಚಪ್ಪಲೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಶೀಲೆ ಪರ್ದಿರು. ರಾಮ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆದ ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಚಕ್ರಿಗು ಅಪ್ಪುಗೆ ಮಲ್ಪೆ. ಉಂಡು ತುಳುನಾಡದ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಿನ್ಯ ನೋಟ. ಮನ್ಸ್ಯ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮರ್ಗಗ್ಲ ನಾಡುತ್ತ ಬಂದಾಗು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Hari, do you speak Kannada at home?
ಹೌದು.
That's what. Yeah. ಸಿರಿ ಮಲ್ದಾರ ಏನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್?
ಆತರ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅದು ಅಂತೆ ರಡ್ಡು ಮೂಜಿ ನಾಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ದೋಲ್ಲ ಅತ್ತೆ.
ಲಾತ್ ಪನ್ಲೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಪನ್ಲೆ.
ಎನ್ನ ಪುದರ್ಸಿರಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆಗಲು ಬೆಟ್ಟೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟೆ ನಮ್ಮದ ಬಲವಲ್ಲು ತುಳು ಪಾಡ್ತುವೆ. ಎಂಕುಲು ಪುಲುದು ಸುರುಳು ಮಲ್ಪುಗ ಎಪ್ಪುಲು ಬೋಲ ಬುಲ್ಲ ಪಬುಲಿ ಅಂಡ ಉಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ನಾನ್ ಸರ್ಬು ವರ್ಷ ದುಬು ಎಂತನು ದಂಬಂದ ಪಲ ಪರುನ್ ಪರುಂದು ಅಂದ ಪರುಂದ್ ರಡ್ಡ ನಮ್ಮನ ಉಳ್ಳ ಒಂಜಿ ಅಟ್ಟಲ್ ಮಲ್ಪುನ ಒಂಜಿ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪುನೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಅಟ್ಟಿ ಮಲ್ಪುನೆ ಅಟ್ಟಲ್ ಮಲ್ಪುನೆ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು ನಂದ್ರ ಪಲಂ ದಂದ್ರ ಸಪ್ಪುನ ಸಪ್ಪುನ ದನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಪನ್ನ ಸಪ್ಪುನ.
Okay.
It is nice.
Very good.
It's nice. Always I enjoy them watching. I always enjoy them talking because they mix Kannada, Tulu, everything. Very nice, actually. I like it.
Good interest. It's good. Nice.
Yeah, nice. Okay. Next, ನಮ್ಮನ ಏತುಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಏತುಂಡು
ನನ್ನ ಈತ ನಾರ್ಹನ್ ಒಂಜಿ 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
10 ನಮ್ಮನ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಂದು
ಆಯ್ತು
10.
ಪೂರ ಜನ ಮಲ್ದಿಜೇರ್ ಮಂತ್ಲೆ ಪಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಪ್ಲೆಗೆ.
Okay.
Let's see.
ಇತೇರ್ನಂಡ್ ಈತನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಹನ್
ಅಕಲ್ ಈತನ್ ಬಕಾರ್ಹನ್ ಮಲ್ದಿಜೇರ
ಮಲ್ತನ ಮಲ್ತಾರ
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಲ್ತ
ಅಂದನ್ ಮಲ್ದರ್ ಸಾರಿ ಮಲ್ದರ್
ಯಾನ್ ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ಗೊಬ್ಬು ಸಾಕರ್ದ ಬಗ ಪನ್ಪೆ ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ಎನ್ನ ಪದರ್ ಈತನ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ಗೊಬ್ಬು ಸಾಕರ್ ಗೊಬ್ಬುನಾಗ ಎಂಕ್ ಬಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಪುಂಡು. ಒಂಜಿ ದಿನ ಶಾಲೆಡ್ ಸಾಕರ್ ಗೊಬ್ಬುನಾಗ ಯಾನ್ ಬೂರಿಯ ಬೊಕ ಎನ್ನ ಕೈ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಂಡೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎನ್ನ ಕೈಕ್ ಕಪ್ಪು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಡಿಯೇರು. ಎನ್ನ ಕೈ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಂಡಾಲ ಎನ್ನ ಮೆಗ್ಗೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಅಪ್ಪನೊಟ್ಟುಗು ಇಲ್ಲದುಲಾಯ್ ಸಾಕರ್ ಗೊಬ್ಬೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ. ಎನ್ನ ಮೆಗ್ಗೆಗ್ಲ ಸಾಕರ್ ಪಂಡ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಪೋಯಿ ವರ್ಷ ಯಾನ್ ಎನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ ಎನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎನ್ನ ಮೆಗ್ಗೆ ತಿರ್ಗರ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗಲ್ ದೇಶಗ್ ಪೋದಿತ್ತ. ಅವಳು ಲಿಸ್ಬನ್ ಪನ್ಪುನ ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಸಾಕರ್ದ ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಅಂಗಿ ಎನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ ಎಂಕ್ ದತ್ಕೊರಿಯರು. ಲಿಸ್ಬನ್ ಯಾನ್ ರೊನಾಲ್ಡೋನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೂಯ. ಯಾನ್ ಈ ತುಳು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಡ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ತುಳು ಕಲ್ತೆ ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು.
Very nice. Yeah, I have not checked your assignment. I have to check. Yes.
Nice.
Okay,
Good.
awesome. Okay.
ಬಕ್ಕ ಆರ್ಹನ್
ಅತ್ ಈತನ್ ಪನಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಹನ್ ಅತ
ಯಾನ್ ಎನ್ನ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ವೇಕೇಶನ್ ದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪನ್ಪೆ ಸೋಲ್ಮೆಲು ಎನ್ನ ಪುದರ್ ಅರ್ಹನ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಎಂಕ ರಜಿತ್ ಊರುಗು ಪೋಪುನ ಪಂಡ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಎನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಊರು ಕುದ್ಲ. ಎನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಊರು ಬೆದ್ರ. ಊರು
ಅರ್ಹನ್ ಚೂರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಸರಿ ಮಲ್ಪಲೆಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರ್ನ ಸರಿ ಬರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ ಹಾ ಓಕೆ.
ಊರುಡು ಎನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ ಅಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಉಳ್ಳರು. ಎಂಕ ಊರುಡು ಕೊಕ್ಕು ಪಿಲಕಾಯಿ ಹಿಂಪುನ ಪಂಡ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಎನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಕ ಕರ್ಬು ದ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೊಕ ಬೊಂಡ ದೆತ್ ಕೊರ್ಪೆರು. ಕುದ್ಲಾಡ್ ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಹಿನರ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ. ಎನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಎನ್ನ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಬೈಕ್ ತಿರ್ಗರ ಲತೊಂದು ಪೋಪೆರು. ಯಾನ ಈ ತುಳು ಕ್ಲಾಸಡ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ತುಳು ಕಲ್ತೆ ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು.
Very nice.
ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ತಿನ್ನರೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಪೋಡೈತೆ
ಅಂದ್ ಏರ್ಲ ಊರು ಪೋಯಿನಕ್ಲು ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ when you go
Ideal
there.
and naturals.
Gadbad is a layered ice cream with the nuts and fruits all layered.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
is good. But then another one more this ice cream parlor called Natural. Yeah, that is a really good ice cream.
Honda Factory.
Mm.
Oh,
Honda
Bunda,
Factory.
Bunda, Bunda, that is natural. It is really natural ice
Honda
cream.
Factory.
And
Bunda the factory.
and
Okay, next
okay,
point.
next ತೂಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೇಗ
ಶ್ಲೋಕ್
ಅಂತ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಹಾ
ಶ್ಲೋಕ್ ಪಂತೇರ
ಶ್ಲೋಕ್ ಮಲ್ತೀರ
ಇಜ್ಜಿ
ಅಂದ್ ಮಲ್ತೆ.
ಎಂದು ಕಡಪುಡ್ದೆ ಪಲ್ಲೆ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಕಡಪುಡ್ದು ಜರ
ಕಡ್ಪುಡು.
ಉಂಡು
ಉಂಡು ಹಾ
Namaskara. Enna Padishlo. Ini ya neklek soccer gabuna Vishai Pampe. E gumuga America da Budu Veta Desha the football pumper. E gabuta Patonji gabunala Kulu Gabuera soccer da Runda Noput Aina Nimishta da Gabuta Hello Jagal Ola Panda Ait Pudder Winger Striker Center Mid Cam Center Back Fullback Buka Goalie Gabuda Akarika Cut Anda Acha Nimisha Ijanda penalty shot Apundu E Gabuta Echa Goal Multinakulu Gendana Nikleg Gotundu E Gabu Nun Varsha Dumbu Sura Atundu England Dishat Now Soccer da League Ola Nikleg Lionel Messi Panda Gotunde Argentina da Nagragera are now Champions League Boca Vishwa Cup Gender Achin Ronaldo Portugal Seychelles Nagriker are Al Nassr Tanda Diga Gabuer are La Aina Tanda Champions League Gender Brazilian Arabona Rainbow Flag Boca Cruzala Banda Prabhakara Gabuera Gatundo Ini Coded E Gabu Online La Gabuli Ipa Panda Aita Poder Yan La Soccer Gabuera Enna Pandada Enada Kale Soccer Chenda Undu Inka Soccer Gabuera Bari Ishta Munji Dina Inkala Messi Boca Ronaldo Leka Gabuna Panda Ase Materla Enna Tanyavada Namaskara Nikwana Dina Ede Avut.
Awesome. You Messina fan? You like Messi? And okay.
Good job, Shlok.
Yeah, very nice Shlok. Irna ಚೆಂಡದ ಬಣ್ಣದಾದೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಎಂಚಿನೆ ಇರ್ನ ಸಾಕರ್ದ ಚೆಂಡದ ಬಣ್ಣ ಎಂಚಿನೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡೆ that's okay
ಲೌಡ್ ಪನ್ನ
ಹಾ
ದಾದಾ ಬಣ್ಣ
okay ನೀಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣ okay cool great thank you
ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಘವ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ ನಮ್ಮ 5 or 6
ಅಂದು
ನನ್ನ
I think
ಏತುಂಡು ರಂಜನಿ
ನನ್ನ
Nana,
ಒಂಜಿ ರಡ್ಡ್ ಮೂಜಿ ನಾಲ್ ಐನ ಏಳ್
Yelund. I
ಏಳುಂಡ
think we'll continue. I hope if there is an urgency, like other appointments or anything that you cannot miss, you can go. But others who are not done, please stay for another 15 minutes. We'll complete this one. Okay.
Should I start?
Huh?
Can I start?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Onji samayeda inkula urudu ori krishi manpana itte. I bari bangada itte. I ge bari dudu manpadu du etenda. I ega onji kori tekunda. I kori dinala onji bangarada tetti koran dittida. I bari dudu mante. Aega nala dudu manpadu asa andu. I nente korida ola yerda pora tetti depuga de. I korina kerte banjida olaye tunaga dale ijanda apa nanage ge itena bangarada titte nana tekujinda gotandu enchina ayena Asiada marledu ettuna bangarada korupone korina kerie.
Okay. Nice.
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್
Okay.
ನೈಸ್
Kori.
ಮೊರಲ್
Tetti,
ಸ್ಟೋರಿ
Bangarta.
ಮೋರಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಜ
It's the moral is greedy towards your resource.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅತಿ
Yeah.
ಹಸ ಮತಿಗೆ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್
Okay. Next.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದರ್ಶ್
I'm gonna talk about myself. Enna
Okay.
kate.
Awesome.
ದರ್ಶ್
Indu,
ಇನ್ನ
video
ವಿಡಿಯೋ
on one plema. Okay. Camera tour mitnal, camera tour.
ಗುಡ್
Easy. Other way.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
ಸರಿ
Yeah, it is
ಸರಿ
there. Okay.
I'm gonna talk about myself. Enna kate.
Hmm.
Solmelu. Enna podara tash. Yana Canada uppuni. Enna ammana podara Reshma Chettiar. Enna poppana podara Shri Chettiar. Enna pappan sorry. Enka onji akka leda. Arena podara Dhyana Chettiar. Yana nilnala tingallu pad nenmene dina tani puttudini. ಎನ್ನ ಪುತ್ತಿನ ದಿನದ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಎನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಮಾತೆರ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ತು ಮಲ್ಪುವ ಎಂಕ ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಉಚ್ಚು ತೂರೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಎಂಕ ಅರೆಗಾಲ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಂಡ ಕೆಲಸಲ ಅರೆಗಾಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಬೆಚ್ಚ ಉಂಡು ಎಂಕ ಇಷ್ಟದ ಬಣ್ಣ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಆಂಡ ಪಚ್ಚೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಉಂಡು ಎನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅಡ್ಡೆ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಪುವೆರು ಎಂಕ ಅಡೆನ ಕೊಜಪು ನೊಪ್ಪು ಇಷ್ಟ ಎಂಕ ರಡ್ಡ ಕಸಿನ್ ಮೆಗ್ದಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಸಿನ್ ಅಕ್ಕ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎಂಕ ರಡ್ಡ ಕಸಿನ್ ಮೆಗ್ಗೆ ಉಲ್ಲೆರು ಕುಕ್ಕು ಎಂಕ ಇಷ್ಟದ ವನಸು ಎಂಕ ಉರುಡು ಕುಕ್ಕು ನನಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ಎನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕಡ ಗುಬ್ಬುನ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ ಎಂಕ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕಲ್ಪುವೆರು ಎನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮಲ ಪಪ್ಪ ಎಂಕ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕಲ್ಪುವೆರ್ಲ ಎಂಕ ತುಳು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು ಹಿಂದಿಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಪುಂಡು ತುಳು ಕಲ್ಪುನಗ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಪುಂಡು ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ಎನ್ನ ಗುರು ನಕಲ ಎಂಕ ತುಳು ಕಲ್ಪನೆಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2024ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ಯಾನ ತುಳು ಭಾಷೆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಕಲ್ತೆ ಜೈ ತುಳುನಾಡ್.
ನೈಸ್
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್
Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
I think Raghav needs to leave, it seems. Will you be
Okay.
able to present it now, like one more
ರಾಘವ್
minute?
ನಾಡತ್ತೆ
ರಾಘವ್ ನಾಡತ್ತೆ ಪೋಲಿ
Raghav Andar. Okay.
Andar.
Okay. That's okay. Okay. Yeah.
Bye.
ಓಕೆ
Raghav Andar, sorry.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಶಾನ್
It's okay, Raghav. Yeah.
Hello.
Ishan.
ಈಶಾನ್
Okay. Ishan, camera ಚೂರು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಇಂಕಲ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸರಿ ಬರೋದು ಚೂರು ಮಿತ್ತೆ ಬರೋದು. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay.
Solmalu, yenna podar ishan. Yan yenna India trip de bage panpe. India ge yan August 2022 ge pode. Seattle de kudla muttare muji vimana change malpodandu. Mast dura bokka sakandu. Kudla de yenna ajja ajji cousins must relatives yan tikiye. Mata Tulu bokka Kannada paterandu ide. Urudu mast bage tiniyare tinde. Dose mude biryani means sweets holige tinde. Pabbas the ice cream tiniye. Bonda pariye. Kudroli, Mangaladevi, Kadri, Tirupati, Mas Devasthanag Poya. Puja Mata Malte. Kuntu Detanare Mast Angadige Poya. Nagara Panchami, Chauti, Bokka Krishnastami, Parba Tikind. Parbada Vanas Malpare Yedde Ande. Yan must gida pu mata tuye. Tulasi touch me not mutudu tuye kushiyandu. Yenna watch the photo bokka video dette. Yenkulu urudu aneda kinni gottugu gobbiya bokka bipaya. Umilu must ittindu bete mata bari yedde anda.
Very nice. Touch me
Uh,
not ಗೆ ದಾದ ಪನ್ಪಿನಿ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡೆ. You know what is touch me not in Tulu? ನಾಚಿಗೆ ಮುಳ್ಳು. Because
yeah,
when you touch it, it goes on shy. That's why it is called ನಾಚಿಗೆ ಮುಳ್ಳು.
yeah. Nashik is shy. Yeah.
Shy, yeah. Mullu is a
Uh,
thorn. It has a thorn, small thorn, right? If you touch the, it is called
okay.
nachike
Okay.
mullu.
Very nice. Thank
Yeah,
you.
very nice.
Nice.
Materla ice cream ಅಂತ ಬಿಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Okay.
Abbas,
Okay. Next year.
ಸಮಕ್ಷ
Samaksh.
ಸಮಕ್ಷ ಅಂತ
Makshipodu.
ಸಮಕ್ಷ ಪನ್ಲೆ.
Oh, hold on. Is it mute? Okay, no. Yan ame tabaga pampe. Sormalu enna putar samaksh enna ishtada prani ame. Yan ame English de tortoise boka near ame English de turtle da vasya vidyasa da bage panpe. Near ame echuda near the upunu boka ame bumi de upunu. Near ame boka ame onji prampuna Jagdeesh serdundu. Amede leke near amede beri the tipi charmada leke boka nasi upunu. Amede beri the tipi tappa boka uruntu undu. Ameda car malla undu. Near ameda car Jolly leke undu. Near ame pannundu pakira leke near du tinnundu undu. Bete jatida near amelo undu. Ow, leatherback aittu berry charmada leke undu. Kurunji jate ame green sea turtle. He amede sankhya jasti undu. Near amede jiva appattundu undu. Kelava janakulu e amelu da mittu atmuke ijji. Janakulu illala nasha mantundu uller. Nama bumida Aiva Pollada Ada Jivisare Kashta Aundu Undu. ena asedada panage aita visha nasha irebali ಕ್ಷಣಕುಲು ನೆತ್ತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐನತ್ತು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತರವೊಂದು ಐತ ವಿಷ ಒಳಿಯುಕೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಡು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಂದ ಜೋಕುಲು ಅವೊಂದು ತೂಪೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೌದು
ಆಯ್ತಾ ವಿಷಯ
Very good.
ತೆರೆಯೋ ವಿಷ ವಿಷ ಅರ್ಥ ವಿಷಯ
ವಿಷಯ.
ವಿಷಯ it's ವಿಷಯ is a what is the exact
Matter. Yeah.
matter yes everyone should know
Information.
yeah information
Yeah.
about the
Very nice, Samaksh.
yeah, very nice very
Thank
nice
you.
And your concern. Do you
Yeah.
have your pet as turtle? In a pet turtle, Ije?
No.
Ije?
no don't
pet
get a pet
turtle.
don't
Ah.
get a turtle as a pet it has a lot of salmonella it is not good for you
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Next, Lavit and Sani, Boka Adya, it's Boka.
Oh, you want to go on.
Okay. என்ன சொல்மெலு என்ன புதர் லவித்துள்ளால் யான் ஹஜினி கிரேடెడ్ కల్పొందుల్లే ఎంకు 16 ವರ್ಷ ಆಂಡು ಎನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬುಡು 4 ಜನಕ್ಕುಲು ಉಲ್ಲೇರ್ ಎನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎನ್ನ ಮೆಗ್ಡಿ ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ಗೊಬ್ಬು ಸಾಕರ್ ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ತಿಂಡಿ ಕೋರಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ಟಿವಿ ಶೋ ನಾರುಟೋ ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ಸಾಕರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಕಿಲಿಯಾನ್ ಎಂಬಾಪೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ರೊನಾಲ್ಡೋ ತುಳು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಡ್ ಯಾನ್ ಎನ್ನ ಊರು ತುಳುನಾಡಡ ಮಾತಾ ಕಲ್ತೆ ನಿಗಲಿಗ ಮಾತೇರಿಗ್ಲು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
very nice
Awesome. Very nice.
Very
Okay.
nice.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fluency.
Sanvi?
Okay. Sanvi, and parents?
Sanvi is not here today.
Okay.
Okay. Adya.
Adya English it ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ತುಳು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ
Okay.
it's okay you can read yes Adya
Okay. ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ಎನ್ನ ಪುತ್ರ ಆದ್ಯಸುರ ಎಂಕ ರುಂಬ ವರ್ಷ ಪ್ರಾಯ ಎನ್ನ ಕುಜಿಲ್ದ ಬಣ್ಣ ಕಪ್ಪು ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ಗೋಬು ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ಬಣ್ಣ ನೀಲಿ ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ತಿಂಡಿ ಬೋಲ್ದು ನುಪ್ಪು ಬುಕ್ಕ ಉರ್ದು ಕೋರಿ ಗಸಿ ಎನ್ನ ಪುತ್ರ ಪ್ಲಮೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆದ ಎದಮ ಗಂಟೆ ಕಲ್ಪುವೆ ಯಾನ ಐತಾರ ತುಳು ಭಾಷೆ ಕಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಎಂಕ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎನ್ನ ಮೆಗ್ಗೆಗ ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಎನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ತರಕಾರಿ ತೆಕ್ಕರೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎನ್ನ ಮೆಗ್ಗನ ಇಷ್ಟದ ತಕ್ಕರೆ ಗುಲ್ಲ ಇನಿ ಎಂಕ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಉಂದು ಎಂಕ ಹೋಲಿಗೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಪಾಯಸ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇಷ್ಟ
oh very nice
Awesome. You used a bit from every class. Very good.
yeah very nice you upload this okay నేను upload మంత్లేవే
Tokatam. Good.
Okay.
And
Okay.
Adegand.
ಆಡ ಏರ್ಲ ಬರೀದೇರ ಕೆಲ್ಲೆ
Yerla uridaರ
Anyone left to tell your story? No, right? Iji.
okay okay
Okay.
and అది నీకు కడపుడ్లేవే కడపుడ్లే
And also, if parents are here or kids are, if you have any questions and if you have any suggestions, and this is our last class, and please let us know. We might have done maybe few things not right, or if you have any comments, suggestions, always you can post in the WhatsApp group. No need to to be worried or hesitate.
No
if you are saying
hesitation,
something
yes.
something bad about our class, but we want to improve that for the next class, because we are not professional teachers. We are doing this as a volunteer work, and always there will be improvement for whatever we do. There may be better way of doing that. So ancha ನಿಖಲ್ನ ಇಂಚಿನಲ್ಲ ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಇತ್ತಂಡ ಅವೇನು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪಾಡ್ಲಿ ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಅವನು ದುಂಬು ಬರ್ಪುನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ఆయన ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಲ್ಪುವ ಒಕ್ಕ ಮಾತೆರೆಗ್ಲ ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮಾತ ಟೀಚರ್ ನಕ್ಲೆಗ್ಲ ಕುಡವರ ಮಾತ ಜೋಕಲ್ ನಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಲೆಗ್ Appammer naklega, Matheregla, Solmel.
Thank you
Libeta
so
la
much.
Panaronde?
Iji Bhaskar
Rakila
ಅಣ್ಣ,
itte join ಆಯ್ರಾ ಅಂದ್ರು.
Year?
ಬೇರೆ
Rakila
ಅವು ಆದ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ.
ಆದ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮನ.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And onchur
ಎಂಚಿನ
porthu jaasti
ಸಜೆಷನ್
andi.
ಇತ್ತಂಡಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಸೆಲ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್.
Marcel
Okay.
Panle.
Panle.
Well, yes, it's because on June I will travel to United States, so I want to invite you to that temple.
Ah.
Thank you.
There's
Okay.
no class next week, right?
Yeah, I think this is the last class.
This is the last class.
For this session. Yeah, if there is any for the second that advanced class, we will
Let you know.
Let you know soon.
Yeah. Ankush, write something, okay? Write something and send us.
I will.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for everyone
Okay,
for joining.
so
And
yeah,
any suggestion, please let us know. Whatever we have done bad or anything, we as Bhaskar told you, we are not professionals, so there is always some mistakes or errors we might have done. So please let us know what you didn't like. We like to hear all those things. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for teaching us. Thank you for
Thank
teaching
you.
us, Tulu.
okay,
Thank you
thank
for
you.
learning. It is really, if you are not here, we can't teach, right? You came, you
Yeah.
gave your precious time of your Sunday. Yeah.
Okay. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪೂರ ಮುಗಿಂಡು ಪಾಟಲು ಮುಗಿಯ. So you can leave, but if you want to hang on, you can. Okay.
Somebody has a question. What will be taught in the advanced class?
Okay. In advanced class, we will be following the grammar. So
Most of the grammars,
yeah,
and
we want to
also
do it like any other language. This is like we wanted to do some conversation type and then grammar, but based on the students, right, the kids, because of the different levels, they are from elementary to high school and that level, right? So we thought we did not do much on grammar. So we want to do it like grammar. We did not teach about the tenses, then nouns, verbs, then how that translates into from English to Tulu, those kind of things. Basically, like all the parts of speech you want to cover in the next advanced class.
yeah, in advanced class, along with the grammar, because grammar is a little boring,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
we can also add some articles or
Yeah,
stories from
those
Tulunadu,
kind of
all
things.
those
Yeah,
things we are doing.
yeah. We
Like
will.
if you,
Yeah. Yeah, we will like learning will be, we'll take a piece of some kind of article, then we'll like go and find out what is what in that sentence,
Yeah.
and then we make use of that, our own
It's
sentence.
easy, not difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will not be difficult, but once you know this one, then you will be able to know that.
Don't forget whatever you learned. Don't
Yeah,
forget.
practice it. Yeah, you practice it
Practice.
home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then every day, even if one or two sentence, try to talk. Then that
Yeah,
helps.
always talk to your parents.
Yeah.
ತುಳುಟೆ ಪಾತಿರ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಡ್ ಮಾತಿರ್ಲ. Okay. ತಪ್ಪಾಣ್ಲೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಅಮ್ಮ
Mistakes
ಬಕ್ಕ ಅಪ್ಪ ನಕ್ಲು ಐನ್ ಸರಿ ಮಲ್ಪುವೆ.
Hey, where is Anshika? Oh, Anshika didn't come yet?
Yeah, ಅಕ್ಲು just ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. So
okay.
yeah, I'll tell her to record. Okay.
Yeah.
If you make an effort to talk at home, your parents will also be very happy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you will get a new toy.
You
Santa
can
will be
show off
happy.
some of the words you learned and all.
Yeah. Yes.
They'll be proud.
And another suggestion is for parents. Don't talk any other language. Just talk Tulu. That helps a lot.
Yeah, that helps a lot. Yeah. Yeah, because anyway, they will learn English or Spanish or
Yeah, they
French,
learn
whatever they in the school, as part of the curriculum, they will learn it. It will come automatically because there is a structured program there. But this is this, like if you don't talk at home, then it's hard to like learn. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, we will be here for a few more minutes. If you want, you can hang on, or
Yeah,
if you
hang
want to
on,
drop
yes.
off, you can drop off. That's fine.
Yes.
Okay, bye, bye,
Bye.
Solmil.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Great talk today. Good
Thank
job,
you.
all of you.
Yes. Yes.
ಅಮೆರಿಕಡೆ ಒಂಜಿ ತುಳುಕೂಟ ಓದಿತುಂಡೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕಡೆ ಒಂಜಿ ತುಳುಕೂಟ ಓದಿತುಂಡೆ ಅಖಿಲ ಅಮೇರಿಕ